Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. It's time to do farm chores. Quit eating my damn fence! What did I just say? What did I say? Come here, you bastard. I'm gonna beat your ass. Do you hear me? Oh, big ass. Wookie, wear a damn boot. Oh, bootless ass. How am I gonna be married to somebody that's allergic to the farm? Baby, my next man is not gonna be allergic, I can tell you that.
You get what you get and you don't talk shit.
My next man ain't gonna be allergic, I can tell you that.
They hot.
Well, I ain't finna date no ugly bitch. Danae, if you can lick on a kitty cat,
oh my
then
God,
you can clean chicken shit.
Honest to God, that is very true.
Don't drop that hey, don't drop that don't drop that You like that chance? Don't drop that don't drop that don't drop that No? Well, fuck you. My leg hurt. I didn't tell you that. I busted my leg open. To the bone on a barrel. Ooh, shit, my damn SI's hurt. And for all you bitches got something to say about my damn slides, I got some new ones on you hoes. Don't start acting like y'all don't got no damn sense. It's better than being in the damn sun.
I ain't even gonna try to catch you.
I ain't got no drawers on. What do you think about that? Mm-hmm. That'll turn you on right there, won't it?
I've never been to more classes.
Although this is a little revealing. If this don't make the men hard, I don't know what will. How the hell? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Don't you go under that, you little stupid bitch. Winnie! 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 Winnie, get your... Winnie, come on. You ain't supposed to be out here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Thank you, lady. Come on. Winston, come on. Come on. Winston. Winston. Winston, I'm not playing with you. Winston. Winston. Let's go. Winston. 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 Go on in your... Come on now. Hey. Winnie. Oh, my God. Come on. Yeah. Winnie. Shit. Winnie. 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 Oh, Jesus. Winnie. Winnie. Come on, Winnie, Winnie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, fat girl. About big back ass. Come on, Winnie, Winnie. Come on, Winston. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, now, play with me. Shit. Shit. It's so fucking hot. I'm about to have full thrombosis. I'm about to have deep vein thrombosis out here. Shit. I'm about to have full deep vein thrombosis. That God almighty shit! Whew. Without a cool off. Oh my God. I hope y'all know how much I love you. Raggedy asses. Okay, I gotta get that fucking chicken. You ain't supposed to be out here and you know it. Whew. Don't play with me. Got your ass. Try your mama, ho, not me.
You left Priscilla's stall wide fucking open. Wookie had his head sticking out the door.
Did you shut it?
No, I left it fucking open.
Why you gotta cuss so much? Go ahead and say something smart and I'm gonna knock the shit out of you. Come on.
You ain't driving
I'm
me.
driving. Get on.
You ain't driving
Yes,
me.
I am. Come on.
You ain't driving me.
Get on.
It's gonna get hotter and hotter the
Come
longer I
on.
sit here.
I don't got time to play with you.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
You ain't driving me.
Yes, I am.
You ain't fucking driving me.
Get on the damn thing and quit being this is what you're being. A pussy. Okay, get on the damn, you ain't licking nothing. Get on the damn, get on the thing. No, I said no, come on. Get on. You don't, never mind getting behind me, so get on behind me. Thank you. Get your hands. Get your motherfucking hands. Ah! Now what in the absolute Sam hell is you doing out? When you get your ass ate, I don't want to hear nothing. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. I'm not. You might try your mama, but you ain't gonna try me. Hold on now, shit. Go on in there, be quiet. Here, go on. Have a good day. Make good decisions. Ugh. Damn, I look like I'm digging for gold. It is drier. Y'all know what it's drier than. Some of y'all's coochie. Oh, my back. Oh! And no, this is not from my back getting blown out. Although I wish it was. Don't be going down them stairs trying to see up my skirt now. This ain't no OnlyFans. Don't run my ass over.
I won't.
Okay, this is your brake.
Yeah.
Put your foot on the brake. This is your gas.
Okay.
That's your reverse.
All right.
Okay? Now, foot on the brake. Let our brake off, parking brake. Put her in neutral. I mean in low. Oh shit. What'd you do?
I'm sorry. Hell, I don't know. I reckon she stalled out.
Okay. Neutral. Crank
Okay.
her back up. Okay. Keep your foot on the brake.
All right.
Put your parking brake down.
It's down.
No, it ain't.
No, it's down.
There you go. Bitch!
Bitch, you did that.
You did that!
Motherfucker! You put that bitch in low. I think it needs to go in high.
No, it don't.
I think we need it in high.
Get your ass up.
Okay, I'm off the brake now.
You done fucked it up.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay.
Now put that thing down.
Gotta be in neutral to
Okay,
start it.
yeah, absolutely.
Low,
Low.
brake.
Maybe it's because we did the brake first before we put it in low.
Did we?
We did.
That's why.
You needed to be in the driver's seat to,
That's how I needed to feel it, you know?
It's all about feeling.
All right, there you go. Now drive slow, we don't want this hay to fall off.
Which way are we going?
Just follow me.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Bitch, I know
I
you're
swear
motherfucking
to
lying.
God, I'm not doing nothing. See, it's like you ain't my owner. It don't like that.
Put that bitch in neutral again.
Okay, so
Crank. Low. Get your ass
I
up.
swear to God. I swear to God, I am literally doing everything you're telling me to do.
You know what I think it is?
There's a ghost in here.
I swear, I think you're too skinny.
You think so?
Cause like, look, if you get off the seat,
I
it
fucking
turns
love
up.
this tractor.
Bitch, you need a cheeseburger.
Oh my God, this is.
If it don't feel no weight up here, it will turn
Okay,
off.
let me sink into it a
You
little.
gotta get in.
Let me give it one more.
You gotta get in it.
Get in there. Okay,
Yeah.
all right, let me give it one more whirl.
Okay,
All right, I'm gonna get to bouncing on that thing.
that's you got
You about to see some shit you didn't want to see,
Okay,
man.
I'm ready. Now come on now.
Hang on.
Put some weight in there.
Like that, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now keep foot off the brake. Now go.
Where am I going? That damn thing's closed.
I'm gonna open it.
Go open that son of a bitch.
My God. I'm trying to figure out why we couldn't have drove down to the gate. My coochie gonna fall out.
I need to line this with, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm trying to climb the damn gate. Since you couldn't drive down there to the gate. Don't bring your little ass out here. Y'all don't understand English. Even my non-barrel horses get this. That shit hard. It don't look real. Girl, get off of that shit. That what y'all men be looking like. Then they also get good. Have you ever thought of owning a horse? Let me tell you what you should do instead. Take all of your money, throw it out the window, and admit yourself into a psychiatric unit. They licking on each other's buttholes. You ain't getting no tallywhacker. Get off of her damn coochie too. Cause what we not about to do is start with no bullshit, okay? Girl, if you don't get your nose out of his rectum, get your nose out of his rectum. Come on, Winnie, let's go. In. Damn. Okay. See, that's how y'all's children should act. But y'all don't beat the hell out of them, so they don't know how to act. Come here, Wookie. Wookie, what did I say? I'm not playing with you. Stop. 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 Wookie, don't play with me. Wookie, what did I say? You motherfucker. I got eggs in my pocket. Oh, you need some medicine, girl. Come here and stop. Wookie, would you stop? Oh. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. Do you understand me? I'm not the one to be played with. See, No, sir. No, sirree. We won't do none of it. We won't. I'm not the one to be played with, Wookie. You want to keep tearing your boots off? You want to act like a child? I'm going to treat you like a child. Ow! You motherfucking hoe. Act like a toddler. I'm going to treat you like a toddler. Take them off again. You see everybody else got their boots on? You're gonna get ate up by flies. Take them off again, and I'm gonna knock the hell out of you. You understand? I love you. Ooh.
Now, where do you dump this at?
Right there in the horse pile shit.
Okay. Now, would pigs eat this? I've heard pigs eat everything.
Hey, you don't want to feed them shit?
Well, you're not gonna eat them, so why not just, I'm just saying, it's like the cycle of life, you can feed a dead body to a pig.
Yeah, and they'll eat everything but the teeth.
But the teeth.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of
but
people.
we ain't gonna feed them no chicken shit.
Okay. Okay.
My God. Back it on up. Back it on up. Back it on up. Like a U-Haul truck. Hey! Move. Uh-oh. Then mix that shit up. Keep rolling. I really just entertain myself. I know goddamn well you ain't shitting in my fucking stalls. Sir, I know you fucking lying. You got to be fucking kidding me. Already off to some bullshit today, I see. Why are you just shitting in them stalls like that? You got the whole outside, and you need a mattress to shit on too? You too bougie? God damn, Chance. Oh, goddamn, your shit stank. What have you eaten? Ooh, I'm finna throw up. I'm finna throw up. That shit is ripe, Chance. I'm finna throw up. I'm finna throw up. I'm finna throw up. I'm finna throw I'm finna throw up. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. My eyes is watering. God damn. That's so much worse than horse shit. That's a big ass shit too. I about threw up for real. Oh my God. Hello, Ashley. Oh wait, Ashley did. Hello, Blackie Chan. Leave her the fuck alone. You ain't got no damn sense. Don't piss me off. I'm gonna beat y'all's asses. Try your mama, not me. I guess I am their mama, ain't I? I feel like I'm just... Hold, please. You got me out here looking like a damn hussy. Thank you. Come on, hush. Go to your stall. Uh-oh, wrong stall. Thank you. Go to your stall. Beautiful. You're an angel. Come on, Lo. Come on, Lo. Go to your stall, Mama. You ready to go win the barrel race tonight? Yes, ma'am. Strut on them hoes, baby, like the queen you are. Period. And don't fucking play with her neither. Because she is that girl. Y'all, I will beat the shit out of y'all. I will beat the shit out of y'all, I said. Motherfuckers. Damn, my areolas are sweat. Hey! What did I motherfucking say? I will knock your ass clean the fuck out. Do you hear me? Get your ass in your stall. Go. Go. Does that look like your stall? You got damn rocks in my fucking shoes. Hey, in your stall. Oh, he's like, bitch, I'm gonna beat your motherfucking ass. He's like, bitch, you didn't open my stall. Get in your stall. Come on. Come on. Foos. Keep playing with me and get whooped. Wrong stall. God almighty motherfucker. You got rocks in my fucking shoes. Let's go to your stall. How about that? Come on, this is not your stall. This is not your, let's go. This ain't your stall. Come on, let's go to your stall. You take off running, I'm gonna punch you dead in your fucking throat. I swear to God. I swear to God. Try me, Foos. Try me. Try me. Do you hear me? I'm not here. I'm not the one to play with. Go in your stall. Go. Go. I'm over here sweating. They got me sweating already. Come on, Boona Boona. Y'all wait. Okay. Oh, don't even. Don't even. Come on, Wookie. Oh, shit. Don't you go in the wrong stall. That's your stall. That wrong. Oh, jeez. Y'all, I swear to God, y'all are special needs. Priscilla, come on. Thank you, Angel. Yeah, that's not your stall. What a good lady. Thank you. Shit. Shit, I'm dehydrated. Damn toenails are sweating. Come on, Luna. Oh, somebody done kicked you. You got, okay. What's fucking new? Go. Yep. Yep, we're lame. Yep, love that. God almighty motherfucking dang. Jesus, protect me from these evils of having horses, Lord. Can I see your leg, please, ma'am? Oh. Somebody done kicked you. We are never going. Y'all fucking horses is really trying me. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. The courage to change the things I can. The wisdom to not put these fucking horses in the glue factory. Cause I can't take it. Somebody done bit you. My God, y'all just can't win. This is why I can't put y'all together. Cause y'all don't have no fucking sense. You're going the wrong way. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Hey, let's go to your stall, please. How about we do that? Let's go to your stall. Thank you very much. Come on. Let's keep it going. Don't fart in my fucking face. Go. Come on. Two-ton Tilly. Now my fucking chicken's fighting. This day is gonna send me.
Take you for a ride on my big green tractor.
Motherfucker!
What? Well, that you put it on there.
Yo ass! Stop the vehicle.
All right, I got the emergency brake up.
Jesus, Danae.
I'm sorry.
Are you on the spectrum?
I think I am. I got that tism in my blood.
Oh my God. Billy, don't come over here fucking with me. Don't come over here fucking with me. I'll throw this slide at your ass. Billy, quit sucking on your... Did you see him sucking on his tallywhacker?
Uh-huh.
God almighty damn. Anybody need some feathers? Hell, y'all really be pissing me off in here. Fighting and shit. Do it look like I raised fucking fighting roosters? No, bitch, so calm down. Trifling assholes. Shit. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. My shit froze. Come the fuck on. Shit. Come on, you some bitch. Motherfucker. My shit froze. Uh-oh. Open sesame, bitch. I'm a witch. I said open sesame, bitch. You finna piss me the fuck off. It's cold as a well digger's ass out here. Well, they water's frozen, so they got what they got right now.
Can you pet the goats?
You want to pet them?
Well, could you just say hello to them for a
Yeah.
second? Hello.
This is Billy. Billy Stank. He pisses
that's
in his
Billy?
beard. Yeah.
I named my goat for 12 hours Billy Badass.
Well, there you go. Look at his nuts. just
Damn!
dangling. I'm telling you.
Billy, come here. Come here, Billy. Hell no, Billy. Billy, get your ass over here. I want to have fun.
Oh, shit.
Billy, come here. Come here, Billy. Billy, one
He's gonna
time.
fuck her up.
One time, Billy. Oh, God. Hell no. Hell no! Would he actually buck me? I'm gonna give him a whirl.
Give him another shot. Give him another shot tonight.
Come here, Billy.
I think he'll be all right.
Billy, just one time. Just one time, Billy. Shit. Got your ass. Come on. Come on. One time. Let's walk back up to the barn.
You gotta drag him on up here.
Come on, Billy. This was a pure representation of me trying to get a boyfriend in high school.
Yeah.
They don't want nothing to do with me.
Nothing.
Last time. Come here.
Oh, God.
Got your ass. Come on. Okay, I'm getting the hell away from him.
Oh.
Fuck. He's fun.
Billy said, I ain't fucking with you, bitch.
Damn.
My nose is running like a crackhead. Give me your ass. Shit. Come here, little guy. Come here, little guy. One little step closer. Got your ass. You're an angel, just a little baby. Hey, bitch, I'll fuck you up. You gonna make these bitches call Pete on me. Cause you don't know how to act on camera. Here I come. Here I come, move. Move now, shit. Hey, you already know the drill. Hey, you know the drill, sit. Sit. Thank you. What a beautiful boy you are. Come here, Winnie, hell. Damn. Now see there with y'all's goofy asses. That's what you get. That's what you get for being goofy. Hey, what the I done told your ass. Ooh, you gonna piss me off. Non-listening ass, fucking toddler. That's what you are. You're a toddler. You're a toddler. Now give me my damn slide. See, this is why I gotta go on tour, so I can't keep putting up with you. I can't. You keep hurting, fucking kicking people. I gotta pay for vet bills because of you. Move, Wookie. Actually, go in your stall, Wookie. Come on, Wookie. Come on, Wookie, hell. Come on. In your stall, please. Oh, you wanna go in so goddamn bad, but then thank you, in your stall. Thank you, in your stall. You better get your big ass in your stall. I'll bust your ass. Where's my damn slipper? I got to go on tour. I got to go on tour. I know you fucking lying. Damn it! 1, 2, egg for me. 3, 4. More eggs for me. Motherfuckers. Back it on up and we're gonna go back through here. God almighty
I swear to God.
damn. Danae, I know you fucking lying.
I didn't flood it. I don't think I did. I'm gonna try it one more time.
Is it in neutral?
Yeah.
Is the parking brake on?
Yeah.
Try again. I gotta get this bitch off my damn tractor. Come on, hell.
I think I'm too skinny.
Get your skinny ass up. I'm done playing with you.
I think I am.
God almighty.
said
The damn wind blows hard enough and your ass is going flying.
Your grandma's tits is flat. And your uncle's back is fat. Deck my house with balls.
Get me 5 cc's of the clear.
Lord have mercy. 5 cc's of the clear.
It's, nope, the smaller one.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
This one?
Yep,
5 cc's.
yep. That's Sidectin.
You didn't say Sidectin, you said the clear. Which one?
The same thing.
Okay, then say that. Hold on, I got too much.
It's fine. It's fine.
Sure is hot out here. Damn. 1 for me. Shut up. Oh, big ass. 2 for me. 3 for me. Don't peck me, I will send your ass to damn KFC, and you know I will, so don't play with me. Thank you very much. You don't start with me. I'll bust your ass. I'm so tired of you. You saw she shut the fuck up, didn't you? That's how I do my children. That's how y'all need to do y'all's children. Maybe they'll act better. Oh my Jesus. Let me call Fallon. Cause I'm about to just really lose my mother.
Your call has been forwarded to
You
voicemail.
motherfucking
The person you're trying
bitch.
to reach is not-
Who kicked you? Tell me who. I'm about to lose my motherfucking mind. I just called your bitch ass and you didn't answer the phone. I'm literally in the middle of filming. I go out here to get the horses. And Luna, already hurt. Luna is lame. And she has been kicked in the fucking heart. This is why. This right here is why I am about to just lose my motherfucking mind. God! I fucking hate it. I just broke my ankle. Phooey. How I'ma do this? Don't be looking over here. Ah! Cinderella, Cinderella. Didn't Cinderella at least get some dick or something? Cause shit. Cinderella, uh-oh. Can you see my coochie? Cinderella, Cinderella. At least she had the 7 dwarves. Shit, wait. No, that was Snow, wait. That was Snow White. Cinderella, what's Cinderella? Cinderella lost her shoe. Shit, I lost my shoe. Come on, Angel. I gotta be petite about it. You ain't finna catch me slipping. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's how you be a lady. This is Priscilla and Wookie, my little precious lady. She's 23. This is the first horse I bought when I lived in a trailer park and I was 18. She's been everywhere with me. Also, you can see how fat she is. She gets this much alfalfa pellets, just enough for her vitamins. And Wookie steals her damn bucket. Wookie! Jesus. They see us rolling. They hate it. Patrolling and trying to catch us riding dirty. it's fucking hot as hell out here. I am ready to be cold. I am ready for my areolas to be hard as hell. Froze, slap the fuck off. I'm ready for Elsa to just let it go on my fucking asshole. I'm dead ass serious. I am so sick of this fucking heat. I'm tired of sweating. I'm really fucking heat. Okay, sit. 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 Oh, only a face a father could love. Damn, who done got their ass beat? Somebody done scrubbed the ground with this bitch. I don't know which one, but somebody done got they shit rocked. You know, fucked y'all up. Welcome to a pile of shit. You ever open your garage door to a pile of shit? Yeah, you do your car every day. I am interested in a man 6 foot or above, beard, one that is not afraid to weed eat fence lines. I do pay well. You know, I mean, $25 an hour, cash. Don't be out there fighting. I will bust y'all's asses. There's plenty of y'all to make a McNugget meal. Extra large. So don't play with me. You have got to be fucking kidding me. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. What the fuck? What the fuck? My eggs broke in my damn pockets. I hate it here.
Oh my God. Motherfucking horses. Luna. Angel. Luna. Luna, come here, Angel. This bitch is about to run from me. And I'm going, oh. Luna. Come here, mama. Hey, motherfuckers! Stop right there. Let me try to get her. Mama. Mama. Mama, come here. Come here, lady. Oh, Priscilla. Luna, I mean shit. Luna. Luna. Luna, if you don't get your ass over here, you black bitch. Where are you going? Luna. Luna. Oh my God. Damn buttholes hanging out of this robe. Fucking hate it here. Where are you going, you crazy bitch? This is fucking ghetto. Back in her stall. Oh, ratty ass. 10 cc's of what? Oh, he's pissing everywhere.
That other one.
He's pissing everywhere.
The white one. Can't remember
This
the name
one?
right now. Yeah.
Safeguard.
Yeah.
Billy. Rob.
Damn, he got some pressure behind that one, don't he?
What is he doing that? Billy. It's like a damn waterfall. Something's wrong.
Do that and come on so we can get to him.
How much?
I said 10. You don't listen?
I'm about to listen when I hit your ass upside your motherfucking head.
Oh, you're gonna make me grab your dick, aren't you?
Oh no.
Not you.
Come here, Bob. You see your little eyes has got crusties. Your eyes are crusty. Your eyes are very crusty. I see. I see. Oh.
I feel like Snow White. Quit all that motherfucking fighting. Oh, y'all about to have to go out, so y'all gonna have to go. I'm finna fuck y'all up. I'm watching. I'm waiting. Do it again. What I motherfucking say? Bite her again and I'm gonna fuck you up. Tired of y'all acting like damn heathens out here. Do it again. Do it the fuck again. You're gonna go in the crock pot. Call Peter, I don't give a damn. Cause they not finna be out here jumping folks at my house. We don't do that around here. I swear to God. What I just motherfucking say? Shit. My fingernails are sweating. Oh, here we fucking go. Here we fucking go. How do I open this bitch? Oh God. Jesus. Jesus. Please, Lord, keep me safe, Lord Jesus. Suit that thing up, mommy, make it right. Is this thing gonna hold me? Please. Oh, please, Jesus. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, fuck! I about went to the Lord. I about went and saw Jesus. I about saw my mama. Who? If I were the king of the fur, I'd... Yeah, get your ass out the way. I told y'all my life is a Disney movie. Unless you come up underneath this robe, then it's gonna be rated X. Bitch. Shut, ho, shit. What the fuck am I doing wrong? Oh, there it goes. Just as I thought. Hi, Angel girl. Oh, shit. I shocked the fuck out of her. Sorry, Mama. Now she's weaving. I done got her anxiety up. I'm sorry, Angel. I didn't mean to shock you. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, lady. Come here. She mad as hell at me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, lady. I didn't mean to do that to you. I'm sorry. Hi, princess lady. Hi, princess lady. That's what she thinks of me right now.
Damn, I done gave her diarrhea. She said, fuck you. This is my chicken purse. She wanna be so damn broody all the time. I'm finna break this bitch's brood. Come here, bitch, we going shopping. Yeah, me and you. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Get in there. Me and you about to go shopping, baby girl. Shut up. Shut up. And don't fucking play with us. Since you want to stay on these damn eggs, you're gonna spend the day with me. You're gonna quit trying to have all these damn babies. You are not your Auntie Kale. Come on, we gotta push this. We gotta. Ooh. Oh. Shit. Hey, be a lady. Be a lady. Hey, girl. Keep on. I'm gonna fuck your shit up. No, you ain't going nowhere. You're in timeout. Stop it. You're in timeout for the rest of the day. I'm sorry. I've told you 495 times. You're in timeout, and I'm not playing with you. Get your head out of there and quit acting up. Now you're acting out. We gotta go push the shit pile back. Toot that thing up, mommy, make it roll. That's a lot of shit. Oh, God damn it. Oh my God. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Oh. Rob. Every time. Every time. Girl, come on. We gotta go get Rob.